Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on ArkLaTexHomepage.com, as well as the ArkLaTexHomepage.com app. And looking at the weather pattern, you can see the quiet weather here across the ArkLaTex with this northwesterly upper level flow over us. Notice another disturbance moving into the west coast. This is what's going to bring us our next chance of rain as we look ahead to probably Friday night into Saturday is when most of that rain is going to occur across the area. So all that said, here's a look at what happens in the meantime. Tonight looking clear across most of the area for most of the night. Temperatures will be colder than last night across most of the region, as we'll see lows tonight in the mid to upper 30s. 34 in Texarkana, 36 in Shreveport, and 36 degrees also for the low temperature in Natchitoches. Daytime highs tomorrow will once again be below what we've experienced today. Upper 40s across the north, low to middle 50s across the south, looking at 48 degrees in Texarkana and 52 degrees, I should say, for the high temperature in Shreveport. As we will start tomorrow with some sunshine, we will likely end it with some clouds moving into the region. Here's a look at Robin's Toyota Futurecast. As we go through the nighttime hours tonight, we will see a clear sky across the region. Notice the wind dying down just a touch as it becomes more northeasterly. Tomorrow, looking at the east to northeasterly wind, and you can see those clouds making their way into the region. We'll stay cloudy across the area tomorrow night, and by Friday morning over the northwestern edge of the area we will start to see a possibility for a few scattered showers. The main focus of the rain Friday will stay mainly across the northwestern half of the area, and then we'll see this activity gradually expand more towards the southeast Friday night into Saturday morning. Here's a look at a longer version of Futurecast showing you that rainfall spreading more towards the south during the nighttime hours Friday night. And as we go through Saturday, we'll likely see the rainfall come to an end in the morning as we stay cloudy during the day, with temperatures Saturday struggling to make it back up into the upper 40s to low 50s. Saturday night, we stay mostly cloudy across the region. And then Sunday, we will see lots of clouds for the most part during the morning, maybe a little bit of afternoon sunshine to close the weekend. Here comes that next disturbance, and the rain moving in for, again, basically late Friday night, Saturday morning. It quickly departs the area by noon for the most part Saturday. And then we'll have several days of dry weather across the ArkLaTex, with our next disturbance probably holding off until the very end of next week. As far as rainfall potential, models continue to back off just a touch. This is the most aggressive model as far as the rainfall potential, showing rainfall totals inch and a half across the northern half of the area. Further to the south, half an inch to an inch, basically what you might expect. But you can see that's not set in stone. Futurecast, this is our model, showing that good inch across the northern sections of the area, basically the northwestern edge. But notice how much lighter it's showing the rainfall totals further to the south from Shreveport southward. It's quite possible that we could see amounts less than a half an inch across the southern sections of the areas. The main focus will continue to be the northern sections of the area, where that good inch of rainfall will be a possibility. So your forecast in the next 7 days looking rather cool, as we'll see low 50s for the next few days. Temperatures staying in the 50s for highs. A little bit of a warming trend as we move through next week. Notice by next Wednesday, highs in Shreveport should return to the low 60s. Overnight lows for most of the week ahead will be in the 30s, with our best chance of rain Friday night into Saturday. Texarkana, you're looking at numbers that will be a bit on the chilly side. 40s for the next few days for highs, lows basically in the 30s. You too will see a warming trend heading into next week, with temperatures by next Wednesday warming back up to 60 degrees. So all in all, looks like one more dry day tomorrow. Then the rain begins to increase late Friday night, and then we close the weekend with drier conditions on Sunday.